Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the network security. Okay. So when we work in the network, there is the more chances of loss of our data, and there are so many unauthorized people who look after, who look towards our data, and they are very curious to misuse it, edit it, modify it, and change it, even delete it. So if these things are happening with me, there is the chance of loss of data, loss of we may face financial loss, professional loss, and even identity loss. So to avoid these all things, we have to follow some rules to protect our data when we work in the network. So for keeping all these things in mind, we will study about the network security. So first of all, I would like to define what is network security. Okay, network security means the protecting data and resources from any unauthorized user when we work in the network. The process of protecting data and resources from unauthorized user and let them not misuse it is called network security. Okay, clear? So we can understood that how data are important for us. Why do we protect our smartphone? Because in that there are number of important data, our personal data, private data we use to secure in that. In the same way, when we work in the network, we use to share, we use to transfer, we use to store so many personal data, professional data, personal identity. Okay, so when we work in the network, there are millions of people, millions of hacker, millions of illegal person, unauthorized people used to access our data. Okay, their intention is to harm us either financially, professionally, or identity loss. Okay, suppose our ATM pin is being misused by someone, then we may suffer the financial loss. Okay, and if our Aadhaar card is being misused by someone, then we have to suffer the personal loss. And suppose someone hacks our Facebook account, then we may suffer the identity loss. So for this purpose, and we also work in an organization, there are many people who in the look after towards our data, and they are always eager to modify it, delete it, edit it, change it. So if these things are happening to our data, we have to suffer, we have to face the loss. Okay, so avoid all these things, we have to follow the security levels. So keeping in these all things in mind, there are two types of security, network security we use to follow in network security. First, login security, and second is write security. Okay, so that means login security is given while we log into the network. Okay, in this security, each authentic user is given a special unique login ID and password. By using that unique login ID and password, they use to enter in the network, and they are able to access the data and resources which are available in the network. That means it is the main first step of our authenticity towards the network. Okay, so while using ID and password, we have to also put some points in our mind, that ID should be unique and the password should be unpredictable. Unpredictable means what? Nobody can guess it, nobody can assume it. Okay, and so it must be consisting of some special characters, symbols, uppercase and lowercase combination. So second is write security. In this security, especially we give this security is especially given on the documents which are available in the network, because when we work in network, we have lots of documents, personal documents, financial documents, whatever. Okay, so we have to protect these documents, because if we don't protect, other people can modify it, that document will be meaningless, or that meaning may be changed. So for protecting our document in network, we used to give the right security. In write security, we generally give three types of write. First, read only write. Second, read and write. Third, not access at all. First, now here we will discuss about the read security. In read security, user is capable of only reading the document, just like you have seen the PDF. What is that? In this document, user is only capable of reading the document, but by willingly he cannot modify the document. not modify the text, not changes the content of the document. So in write security in read security we give the right to read only. Okay. In second, read and write. In this security, user have right to read as well as edit the document. So user can read the document, if necessary he can edit, modify, change the content of the document. Okay. And third access is that not access at all. In this network security, the user have no right to even read the document. That means that document is password protected. So if user is given the password, then he can only open the file, otherwise that is not access at all. That means user is even not able to open that file. So by keeping all these in mind, it is very important to secure our data, protect our data, and make your data private while we work in the network, because so many people are in the chance to hack, to cheat, to steal your data, and after stealing and cheating they can misuse it and they can harm us. Either it may be financial, it may be professional, or identity loss. Okay. So we should try our best that our data should not be hacked, not be steal, not be misused by unauthorized people. For this purpose we have to use the network security. You should be alert, and you should follow all the safety measures to protect our data. Okay, thanks.